everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open a box of happiness. The seller is Joanna Succulents. It's my first time to order from her. Mabait naman si seller and very responsible din sa pag-i-inform kung kailan isi-ship and about din sa product din nila. So, ito yung box na i-open natin for today's video. So, let's start opening it. So, yung box pala is galing pa from Davao. So, si Ma'am Joanna Succulent is from Davao. Visit her page and follow her. Mag-inquire din kayo sa kanya. Let's see kung magaganda yung mga binili kong item sa kanya. So, the item is well packed and syempre, ang bumungad sa atin is yung pa-free ni seller. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joanna, for your free. So, let's start opening and let's start unwrapping the free. So, she gave us 2 Astro for free. Yung mga binili ko, hindi sila ganun kalaki kasi I will be donating this for the school. Sa school kasi ng anak ko, magkakaroon ng fair. So, we are going to sell something there. So, I'm planning to sell this Astro on the school event. Pero yung proceeds nun, parang donation, mapupunta sa class fund ng class nila for field trips and other activities sa school. And some of the fund will also go to the teachers training. So, hindi lang naman ako ang mag-donate. So, every parent will donate kung ano yung kayang i-donate. So, hindi naman siya compulsory na halaman or something like that. So, kung ano lang yung gusto mo. So, I have my passion and my hobby of collecting Gymnos and Astro. So I was planning to share some of my Gymnos and Astro as well as Succulents. Kasi last year I donated Succulents but it comes from cuttings or propagation ko. So well-rooted na sila nung binenta ko sila last year. Kasi ayoko magbenta ng hindi well-rooted. Kasi ayoko naman na mamatay yung mga Succulents na bibilhin nila sa akin. Diba sayang? Kahit ba mahal yung binila or mura para sa kanila, syempre love natin yung mga plants kaya nga tayo mga plantita, diba? So ayun, so ayan, nakikita nyo sa video, pinaflex ko mabuti yung mga na-unwrap natin. So far, isa lang naman yung nakita ko na medyo malambot, pero in-inform ko naman si seller, pero it's fine with me if malambot yung isa kasi yun lang naman, okay na yan. So let's have a closer look of ng mga in-unbox natin na Astro and may konting kabuto. So, yung kaibahan ng ordinary Astro sa Super Kabuto, yung Super Kabuto, meron siyang tinatawag na fuzzy, yung whiting na nakikita nyo, kaya ang Super Kabuto is more on white color. So, iba-iba yung variety, iba-iba yung pattern na nabubuo pag may fuzzy yung mga Astro. So, enjoy watching! And after ko sila pagpahingahin ng 3 hours, I decided to pat them na kasi medyo dehydrated na sila. 3 days kasi bago ko na-receive yung item kasi nga medyo malayong pinanggalingan niya. It's galing patong Davao going to Cavite. So 3 days. So medyo kulubot na yung ilalim. So I have to pat them immediately at the same time. So, hindi naman siguro siya magmamashi kasi hindi naman ako magmo-moist. Pero I was planning to moist them tomorrow morning after potting today. So, madali lang naman yung pagpat na i-video ko na rin to before. All we have to do is trim the roots and then patong-patong lang natin sa mga pot. So, yung potting mix na ginamit ko pala dito is my usual potting mix, which is 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone and a little bit of osmocot. So, yung loam soil na nabibili dito sa aming area is composed of garden salt, carbonized rice hull, and vermicast. So, parang 5-in-1 na siya. So, hindi na ako nagdadagdag. Pumice stone na lang ang dinadagdag ko, tsaka konting osmocot para mas madaling mag-roots yung ating astro. So, sa experience ko, kung napanood niyo yung previous video ko, nakita nyo, mas madaling mag-roots ang astro pag ganitong potting mix ang ginagamit. Pero magta-top dressing ako dito ng black sand kasi meron pa ako nakitang konti. And na-realize ko, hindi pala kakasya yung black sand. So, I changed my mind. I used na lang yung cultured soil as toppings. Kasi kulang din naman yung black sand. So, para pare-parehas na lang. So, lahat ng nasa pink na pot is black sand. And then the other white pots will have cultured soil as top dressing niya. So, yun nga, sinabi ko, pag cultured soil ang tinap dressing nyo, maganda rin siya kasi black na black siyang tignan. So, parang mas maganda nga siya kaysa sa black sand dressing. Kaya lang, cultured soil from Plant Culture PH is good in quality. Kaya lang, medyo pricey siya. So, yun nga, if you wanted to buy, you buy on during their sale. Meron silang Shopee, meron silang Lazada, and you can also directly buy from their web page or you can message them through Facebook also. So, yung nagpapamahal din kasi minsan sa mga item, lalo na pag mabigat, is yung SF o yung shipping fee. So, yun yung minsan parang minsan nadodoble talaga yung presyo dahil sa shipping fee. Pero ang Plant Culture sa Lazada, nung binili ko tong pack na to, isang pack na 5 kilos, meron silang free voucher for shipping fee. So, 100 lang yung SF na binayaran ko during that time. So, malapit na tayong matapos maglagay ng top dressing. So, sa experience ko nga pala, kasi nakabili na ako ng both Gymno and Astro, mas mabilis mag-ugat ang Astro compared sa Gymno. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero sa experience ko, yun yung na-observe ko. We're finally done potting the Astro. Let's have a final and closer look nang nasapat na sila. Enjoy watching! That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today, and let's not forget to share our blessings to other people. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.